people who do not have, residents of Panjim who do not have a place to park their cars will be given a pass, one car pass, and they will not be charged any pay parking fees. And also one car of every government department, basically of the HOD, will not be charged any pay parking fees. 10 lakhs something. So technically, Janna 70% he has already given that 60% security, bank guarantee and 10% security deposit. There is no question of any loss cost to the corporation. And ये जी bank guarantee दिल्ली आसा आणि ST जी दिल्ली आसा, it is for the period starting from 15th of August 2023. Now if we had to say you don't collect and we are collecting, that means we'll have to surrender that amount, no? And we'll have to rework the whole thing. The whole tender 2.616 crores for 3-year period starting from 15th August 2023 to 2026 would have been reworked. There is no truth in whatever allegations have been raised, because everything has been documented over here. Council approvals were taken. Earlier also on 27 January, Council resolved to grant extension for a period of 6 months.